Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Dropbox weekly on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Dropbox and we click here. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Dropbox. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.